The special bond between humans and animals can sometimes be as strong as the friendship between humans. Today, we will show you how animals are finally reunited with their owners after a long time. Not met. Now let's join Walk Animal to watch those wonderful moments. This moment is a mix of suspense and fear, but maybe it's not what it looks like. Did your heart skip a beat too? If it did, drop a comment to share the feeling and spread the love. Time passed and everything changed. Only the feelings between them did not.
Are you loving on your mama?
The sound of the monkey's cry touched everyone who heard it. Do you feel the same way? If yes, give a like and keep watching.
You just want the kisses and loving. I know, you happy? Are you happy? Oh no, I know.
Since being rescued, the kangaroo has always thought of this beautiful girl as its second mother.
It was the best hug ever. It was better than even the first one.
This man had to endure a major surgery to save his legs after a terrifying accident. The love of his pet will be the powerful force that helps him through this difficult time. However, in the mind of this animal, there is always the memory of its former owner. They are always waiting and looking forward to the day they can meet again. Despite their differences in species and size, they each have their own way of showing affection for each other. As soon as he saw his old owner again, the mighty king of the forest turned into a child, eager for affection. As soon as the familiar call sounded, all the elephants in the herd followed the call to find their savior 2 years ago. See the big tiger's loving gesture towards its owner. It's simply precious. The joyful lion was saved from the circus by this woman years ago. He was frail and sad due to the restrictions. Thankfully, her courage gave him freedom, and he'll always remember her kindness. After 2 years away from home to do military service, this young soldier returned to a warm welcome from the homie. This boy also found his boss after a period of despair. Happiness seems to be full, and nothing can separate them again. Indeed, the pain of parting makes the happiness of reunion feel even more immense. The emotions that had been suppressed for many months seemed to burst at the moment of seeing the pet still healthy, as if meeting him again was impossible.
Yes, what? I have document.
A special guest participated in the defendant's trial. The moment they collided, the courtroom was filled with overwhelming emotion.
Put the dog.
That's baby boy.
Hey, boy. Put the dog down.
That's baby boy. That's baby boy.
Pick him up.
Oh.
Curious about how a seal shows affection? Watch and find out. This is definitely the happiest time for this bunny in recent months. The heartwarming reunion of the tiny hyena with the hero who saved it from the flames 3 years ago.
That was a rub. What's that with a rub on you? That's sweet. So I love your arm.
The bear's heart during the days when the owner was away was cold as winter here, and it felt warm again when the owner returned.
This is like a baby. It's my baby.
With all the love they had for each other during their time together, this baby could not bear to leave its old owner, even though it was necessary at this time.
Good memory. Yeah.
Easy on the clothes.
Yeah, you.
Is he scratching? Oh, dear God. This is unbelievable.
He's kissing you, right?
The little chick's immediate rush to embrace the child after such a long time apart is truly surprising, even though chickens don't have long-lasting memories.
Someone's jealous. Boys are jealous.
The feelings between them have never changed, even though time has passed. Pregnant people are often very sensitive and prone to self-pity, so they need special love and care. As soon as the familiar calls rang out as their own signal, the whole herd of elephants immediately moved towards the man. The loyal dog never misses a day, always waiting, and rejoices like it's the first reunion when its owner returns. Despite everything, at their core is a tender heart that feels and cares for the world around them.
Digger! Come on, Digger! I'm home!
With the attraction of the vast sky, finding a familiar bird is difficult, but with a special bond, the owl always returns when it hears its owner's call.
Digger again.
Where's Darcy? Is it Papa?
3 months after being hospitalized for a heart attack, the man was finally home, greeted with excitement by his parents.
Despite the chair, he came right to you. Is that your Papa?
Yes.
Oh,
It's my boy. I missed you too.
oh my goodness.
Hi, baby. You good boy.
Despite soaring through the vast skies, the eagle remains faithful, occasionally returning to visit the one who once sheltered it. To a child, nothing compares to the joy of being raised with love and care. This little monkey is indeed blessed to have that.
Grandpa.
Small in size, but full of affection, this pig welcomes its best friend with gentle, heartwarming sounds.
I will have
let's hope it's the right one.
But the right rat.
It may be small and easy to lose track of, but the elderly man never stopped believing he would one day reunite with his little companion.
She knows she's missed me too, eh?
In the magical space, the feelings between the woman and the ferocious fish bloom like the light at the bottom of the ocean. With some positive energy, from a very far distance, this sheep realized the old woman and immediately ran over. Hyenas, much like us, seek joyful moments with their companions. Some people will find this action unhygienic, even discriminatory, but it is their way of expressing love, and we should respect it. Imagine what it would be like to wake up and lie in the warm arms of your boss who left on a business trip a few months ago. Driven by gratitude, the courageous penguin pushed through every obstacle just to see again the fisherman who once rescued it from danger. The lion's fierce leap wasn't an attack, but a burst of love and gratitude for its beloved caretaker. Lyotiu ein sel eintarasi. Even though it lives in the wild where it's full of dangers, this orangutan is not at all wary of this man, because in fact, he was the one who saved it from a hunter when it was young. So focused on how to express love that he forgot he was no longer a small baby. After their separation, the dog now clings to his dad and won't let go for even a second.
That was so weird.
Porcupines are truly incredible. While it may be risky to spend time with them, just look at how much they enjoy the attention.
Oh, thank that microchip. Yeah, we saw it. Yeah, we saw it.
Their love isn't affected by weight or size. Wow, it's my first time witnessing a dog fainting from sheer happiness. That was Casey's response when he was reunited with his foster mom after 2 years apart.
Is she okay, by the way? No! Oh my god! Who's that? He's back home! We got him!
And the next dog's reaction was no less touching. It was as if the dog was saying that it had been waiting for this moment for so long. The chicken saw the boy for the first time after his haircut. Although his hair was different, the chicken recognized him and gave him a heartfelt hug.
She recognized you with your haircut. Someone's jealous.
Ever thought about having a chicken as a pet? You might be pleasantly surprised with a sweet greeting like this after a long work day. That's all for today. Let us know in the comments how your pet reacts to seeing you again after a long time, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more stories like this. See you again.